got some new tools for my boat build. Let's see what I got here. This is a Zigzag. It's nice. Let's get a battery. I'm not sure. One of these might be empty, but whoa. Pretty cool. Kind of a vacuum cleaner thing. You can remove the dust right away. And that's about it. Ah, there's another blade over here. So there's two. Oh yeah, oh, that's so small. I thought they would be a lot bigger, but I guess the pictures may lie sometimes. I thought they were like this big, but well, a couple of clamps. Haha, more Bosch professional tools. Almost dark outside already, and it's like 5 o'clock or something, so yeah. We are getting there, the summer is coming, but I still need more light on my boat. Really good. Where's the on-off? Oh, it's here. Something like that. Well, come on. Maybe you can hang it over somewhere, and there's also a magnet over here, and yeah, you can also put it in different. So, let's continue. Oh yeah, and I bought also like 10 different blades for the Zigzag. These are just for the angle grinder that I got earlier, a few months ago, a month ago or something. These are just cutting blades for that, just in case, and these were really cheap. Bought from the German Amazon. Because you don't have to pay any taxes, and you can see the price already because it's in euros, so it's pretty, and they are really cheap over there. I'm not sure what's the thing about there, but I saved like hundreds of euros buying this, that, and the angle grinder and those stuff over there. And this is the vacuum cleaner. Now this is not the professional series of Bosch. This is kind of like the DIY series. So it's green and not blue like these other tools that I got. These are blue, they are professional. And this is green, but I got this because it uses the same batteries, almost the same batteries. I'm gonna show you in a while what I mean. This is for cleaning the boat while I'm doing the rebuild of the interior, and I can also use this during the summer of the boat, get some dirt inside, or I can vacuum my car with this, so it's pretty multi-purpose useful. The problem now here with the green line of stuff in Bosch is they use the same batteries, but they make this kind of the end of the cap of the battery different than those that you can fit in here. So I'm pretty sure, yeah, it's stuck in here. I have to rip off one of these to make it fit over there, and I'm not sure if this. Not great, but I think I can use it now. So yeah. Whoa. Let's try. So I can vacuum my bolt. So yeah, this was the quick unboxing of that was all for now. Thank you again for watching and see you soon on the next one, when I'm probably gonna start building the boat or planning it.